So I got a couple questions about the practice assessment on trigonometry. So one of the questions was about number 13. All right, so let's take a look at this. So we're going to draw a triangle ABC with right angle C. Okay, so make my triangle with a right angle C. Okay, I'll make A there and B there. It doesn't matter where A and B are, just as long as C is your right angle. And we want the cosine of A to be 11 over 14. And remember, cosine, that's the ratio. The cosine of A is the adjacent over the hypotenuse, right, for ourselves. Right, so if we're looking at A, here's angle A, right, the adjacent is 11 and the hypotenuse is 24. Okay, so we need to find, it wants us to find the length of AB. Oh, look at that, we have our length of AB, right, that's 24 there. So that's why that answer is 24 for ourselves. Okay, all right, so I was just basically drawing out my right triangle using the ratio to mark some side lengths there. Okay, so let's take a look at the next one. So draw a triangle ABC with right angle C. Okay, so same diagram. And the cosine is 11 over 24, it's the same thing. Now we need to find the length of BC. Okay, so now I'm looking at this. Again, this is the same diagram here. So I'm going to now try to find this length, and then finding that length, okay, that's going to be Pythagorean theorem because it's a right triangle and I have two sides. I can't reduce this down at all because we have 11 and 24, so I'm just going to do, for part B, I'm going to do the hypotenuse squared, right, one of the legs squared, and then the other leg squared. Okay, now 24 is 576. Because we're not in school to look at our perfect squares table, then you can just use your calculator for that. All right, we have b squared. We subtract 121 from both sides. All right, to cancel that, and that's going to leave me with 455 for myself. Okay, let me just double check my calculator, my calculator, because that's kind of a big number. Yeah, 455. I'm going to try to reduce that because remember this is going to be a square root. The only factors I see are 5 and 91. Right, 91. I don't think 91 has any factors. Oh, it does, 7. All right, so that means that this is like 5 times 7 times 13. There's no perfect squares there. There's no numbers that repeat. All right, so that's my final answer there. Okay. All right, square root of 5 to 455. Somebody asked me in a different question, is it okay if I have decimals? And the answer to that would be no, you don't really, it's not okay to be decimals. It's not the end of the world, right? But at the same time, we'd rather have a reduced radical form over decimal form. Okay, let's look at part C here. So same triangle, same whole setup, okay? CA, oh, we have that. We already did that part. We have 11 because of the diagram. And so now that's number 13.